What up, you two? Today, just got out of church, had to change real quick because it's cold out here. Y'all been the people that stay out here in the bay that live out in my view. That y'all know it's cold. Oh, look, there go my sister-in-law already right there outside. But yeah, we're finna go fishing right after church. You know, she say go, go, man. That means go before they change their mind. Yeah, we're gonna try these out today. All right, we out here. Feel me? Brought this yellow pot, got off TikTok, just test out. It feels good, but somebody commented on my TikTok saying they had broke it off of on a little striper. So, but we out here, we got like a mile, maybe half a mile to walk to the fishing where we gonna fish it. But let's go. I'm gonna make a little jog. Attempt to run over. All right, y'all. Sorry for my breath. I ran. Nah, I didn't run. I jogged some parts. Just trying to make it out here before the light goes down. Don't look too busy neither. So let's see what we can cook up. Okay. So get my lines out there. See what we can cook up. Hopefully we get some shaking and baking. I don't know why I brought my buckets, y'all. To be honest, I got extra weight. I might. Well, I know I brought it just in case if I catch any live bait. It's always better to have your live bait in there. Or if I catch some. But we're gonna change the weight out to a bigger weight. So we're going real quick and going on. I got any magic string too though. I don't think I brought any magic string. Got my poncho. Go along with your poncho. I didn't bring my mic, yo. But I do got it. So let's connect it. See if it works. Alright, bow. Got the mic right here, y'all. Hope y'all can hear me. I hope so. And attach a little clip in the back. You don't got much sunlight, and that was a far walk. And the times when I will come running out here, it'll be a lot of snakes. You see it every now and then. You feel me? I don't want to step on one, run into one, or anything like that. Put like 2 of them on there right now. Oh yeah, you good, man? Get in there. Follow my YouTube, man. I'll give y'all my thing right now. Hold on. Yeah, just mostly fishing content. Yeah. What do you recommend, bro? Besides here? Oh, for sure, like good spots. Vallejo by the what do you call it? No. Crockett's good too, but what's the one that right next to Crockett? It's like Port Costa or something like that. Yeah, Port Costa. I don't know. Yeah, right there's good. What's it called? Mare Island. There it is. It's tucked off the. It's tucked. It's like a little hidden. It's like an abandoned pier, but it's a good spot. It's like a good spot. Yeah. But I heard this is a real good spot too, though. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. All right, man. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Wow. I got 2 anchovies on there. The bead. I might change out the weight right now here in a bit. Oh, hey, try Antioch Pier. That's a real good spot too. Yep. But yeah, y'all, that's what we got going on right now. I'm gonna set up my other pole. This one, it's basically the same thing. Oh, oh, oh. We do the same setup, basically, y'all. 2 seconds. Spot for them, right? Not just off them, but I heard other people recommended it to me right here, man. So hopefully we could cook up. But if not, whatever. I guess. Hopefully it's worth being cold out here, though. You know what I'm saying? Going off or anything, y'all let me know. I got 40 pounds on my what do you call this, on this line. Should be good, I hope. Where are my hooks? Where are my hooks? Dang it. Oh, found them. Show y'all real quick. Super small, but I think we can still cook, especially since it's a smaller one right here. But I prefer bigger. I gotta give me some better hooks. I haven't bought any hooks actually. I just like, I don't even know how I ended up with these hooks, to be honest. I acquired these hooks. Oh, wow, wow. Sheesh, y'all. All right. So it's a 3 pound, yeah, 3 or whatever I got on here, but I feel like adding some more weight. Hopefully this don't affect it or anything. I had to bring in my bigger pole. I only came with 2. I came trying to do some inventory check on me here in the bed because I am planning to take a little break on fishing. Try to get back in shape, yo. That's what we got going on right now. Ooh, it's so heavy, so weird. Wow, let's see if we can cook up with this though. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna give it a good little, yeah. Yeah, that should be cool. All right? There you go. Wow. We got that one back up. Our bait. I'm not sure if we got Aiden. Hopefully we got Aiden, but so we know they're out here, right? Let's go. We got rebait up. Uh, uh, uh. I'm gonna throw a second one just cause why not? Cause who's gonna stop me? Leave the hook a little bit more exposed. I think we should be able to cook up like this. Let's see why not. One thing about me, if I give y'all a tip, I feel like it helps me a lot. I like to wrap up the magic string a little bit on that, like that. And then we're going to throw the big boy weight at where I leave him at. All right here. That 8-pounder. Might be a little too heavy for here, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Then we're going to throw him one over here, right here, on this side. Wow. So we can cook up. My little pool look like, I think that's the waist. Wow, both of them are out there now. Come on. 1, 2. See what we can cook up. I'll probably take this one out here in a bit. Once I pack up my stuff. Oh yeah, so I don't drink, y'all. But no more smoke. So I got me this energy drink. Alright. Hopefully we don't get snagged up. Alright. Probably throw this one on that one. On that bait caster just to test out. But hopefully we won't get snagged up just because we only got those two lead weights. And after if we get snagged up when we lose the weight, it's over with for us. We're gonna have to wrap it up. Sorry, y'all. That was nasty. But yeah, throw my poncho on too, man. Ain't gonna lie, it's cold. It's easy. Hope you guys can still hear me. Hopefully I can over my mic. Put my mic out actually. Oh, alright. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. It's cold, y'all. It's cold out here, but it feels nice to be out here. Thank God. It feels blessed, man, to be out here. See how these anchovies things do, man. Like I said, I got faith in them. I hope. And then this pool, we're going to test it out here in a bit. For sure don't feel like nothing. Huh? I just checked mine. I don't got weights too. Bro. No, me too, bro. I only came with two. I thought I had more. I do got weights, bro, but it's not gonna work for here, bro. Cause look, I only got 2, bro. It's literally the ones I got. Other than these like little bullet weights. Yeah. What do you recommend though? I mean, look, cause like I said, I only got that big old one for that one, and then for this one, I didn't have no weights, bro, at all. Like other than this little small one I have. So I threw hella the little bullet weights I just showed you. Look, let me show you real quick. I threw one and then just threw. I mean, I could give you all the bullet weights. You can try to see if you can do that, cook up with that. I mean, it don't hurt to try, bro. No, it's good, bro. Let me just see what I can. Yeah, bro. All of them is good if you need them. No, I don't need these ones. These are mostly like when I go for trout. But I haven't hit for trout either. But like I said, just try to throw all of these, bro. You could mess around and throw these. These ones right here. Like 2 of those. Like, but you gotta throw it like on your main line. You know what I'm saying? So basically, like how you got the slider, but instead of a slider, you're gonna throw one of these in like a bead, like a Carolina rig or a Texas rig. Yeah. So hold on. Yeah.
And you know what to use for bait?
For bait, I got anchovies. Try some of these ones, bro. You want some of these? These I usually don't go with these packets, right? I got these at the Asian store because I wanted to try. I want to try something new because usually with the like the blue Walmart ones, those are the ones I be for sure.
What fish right here? What do you catch
Right here, striper, right? But if you have shrimp, leopard sharks, a lot of leopard sharks and like mud stingray or whatever, yeah, those ones.
So like, it's like the season right now for stripes.
Right now, the December striper run, bro. They're coming out fat, bro. Yeah, right now is a good right now for the stripers, bro.
You can eat them or what?
Hell yeah.
What's the rule on them?
So rules is basically it got to be 18 inches at least to take home. And the way I heard, the best way to eat them, bro, is to freeze it in the freezer for like 2 days, 3 days, so all the mercury can go inside the scales. Then they scale it. Do your thing. You feel me? But at least take out the guts.
Yeah.
But leave the scales on. Throw it in the fridge for like 2 days, so all the mercury can go to the and then they scale it. No, it's good, brother.
Thank you, bro. We appreciate
For real?
it. Yeah,
All right, for sure, brother. Here, throw you some more then.
Yeah, I'll subscribe to you too.
Oh yeah, here, hold on. For sure, brother.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You as well. Good luck, man. Yep. Hell yeah. Like throw this as, and then the little ones I gave you. Throw it on a Zabiki rig. You guys can catch live bait right there where I'm at. But like, it's a good spot for live bait. You just need like a smaller pole. All right, so throw this one as we're waiting.
Oh, switch them.
Yeah. And then grab like a little one like these ones.
And clip it on there.
Right, and then bow. Hold on. So
Cut the whole hook.
bow. Right. You attach this one to your main line for the Zabiki rig. Catch your live bait. When you go and pop them to grab them up, don't like, oh, you feel me? Just give a little pop. Shh, you'll catch live bait. Right. So that's that. Yeah, y'all ever use lures?
Yeah.
Bro, try this one, bro. I'm telling you, you're gonna smack something with that one. That's it, yeah. With the red head and the white body, bro, you're gonna smack something. For sure, yo. Man, every time I reel it in, it looks like a crab work. Looks like a crab. Some crabs. Someone's out there messing with my bait. I don't like it. Not one bit, man. Stand up, stand up. Ah. There you go. Let's try to throw this one out there real quick just to test it out. I just threw an anchovy out there without no magic string. I'll show you how desperate I got. You see what I did with my weights? On the Zafiki thing. Got some more bait on here. I'm gonna throw it out to this side now. Right here, actually. I'm gonna launch him. I'm a strong one ring. Oh, what an idiot! Back to the drawing board, Joe. My next move is stop throwing bait on here and throw some lures. So throwing some lures out with this one, but now we're gonna check. I kind of wanted to go over there where they're at, but they already went me to that spot, so I guess we're here now. So literally at this point, my mic died, and I didn't know it was dead. So there's basically no audio through this whole rest of the video, but I didn't really catch anything, but what they call that, a mudsucker or bullhead, or I don't know, I'm not too sure what they call it. But yeah, that was the only thing I caught. I tried using it as live bait, but I think it was just too big. So I'm gonna just speed through this whole video since we're already 20 minutes in. And thank you guys for watching. I haven't been posting just because I took a little break. Stopped a lot of my old bad habits. Got closer to Christ. You know, just changed my ways and everything, y'all. I suggest you guys do the same, man. Go seek God. You know, turn Christian. I'm only like about a month and some weeks in now being saved, but I really recommend you guys do it as well, man. It's I can't really explain it to y'all, man, but you just gotta experience the Holy Spirit and really submit to Him, and you guys will figure it out. Trust me. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself. She's been living